Hey y'all, hey, welcome to my channel. It's Amia and Renee. Today's vlog is going to be a little different. This one is going to be behind the scenes vlog. So you guys are going to see how I record my regular tutorials. So like I told you guys before, I'm a homebody, so sometimes I won't leave the house. So if I don't have to go to work, then I won't really leave the house if I don't have to. So a lot of vlogs are going to be a little different, around the house vlogs or things of that nature, because I'm not going to not be authentic. I'm going to show you guys what I really do. I'm going to be true to myself and start going out doing things that I normally wouldn't do just to have a vlog. So no, we're not doing that. I'm going to do what I normally would do, and that's, like I said, I'm a homebody, so most of my vlogs might be surrounded around what I do at home and things of that nature. So here go a vlog of a week in my life behind the scenes of a content creator, YouTube video maker, whatever you want to call it. Alright, let's jump into the video. Hey y'all, it's Amia and Renee. Today is Sunday, the beginning of the week. I'm in my kitchen whipping up this DIY avocado hair mask I'm getting ready to film a tutorial on. So just wanted to say hey, check in today. I didn't do too much today, just cook Sunday dinner, clean up a little bit, take the mask. It's my DIY avocado hair mask. So I'm back in my beauty room, about to record this tutorial. I guess I should put some eyebrows on. Since I'm going to be recording on my Canon 80D, you're gonna be able to see everything. I'm not putting any makeup on, but at least let me throw an eyebrow on, I guess. Ooh, I can't see since I took off my glasses. Didn't know I was that blind. Hey, alright, ain't gotta be perfect. So I haven't sat down in front of the camera and recorded a tutorial probably in over a month. So it's gonna feel funny. But I'm gonna jump right back into it. This mask is going to be messy probably, so I don't want it to get on my robe. Get right, turn my camera on over here. Let me show y'all my setup. So that's my ring light and my Canon 80D camera over there. My little TV here so I can watch TV while I'm doing my tutorial, because this is going to be a voiceover, so I can turn my TV volume on. I did a whole room tour video, so you can check out my channel to see the room tour. So let's get started. See y'all later. Hey y'all, today is Tuesday. I'm in the process of recording my tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be about how I slick this ponytail down, and also I wanted to talk to y'all about my channel, the direction my channel was going in, and also what y'all want from me. Since y'all don't, some of y'all are, as I would like to say, ghost followers. You subscribe but you don't comment, you don't like, you don't even watch the videos. So what y'all want from me? Oh my gosh, I'm always dropping something. I had time for this. Where did it go? I got these earrings from Shein. They're so cute, but they are too heavy for my ears. And the freaking back of the earrings came bent, both of them. So damn annoying. Guess I could keep it for buying cheap products, you can't expect it to be top quality. Aren't they so cute? These are only for picture purposes because yeah, my ears could not take this. Alright, let's jump into this tutorial. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I slick my hair down and get this long curly ponytail. And also I want to do a little chit chat while I'm doing my hair. The topic of the conversation will be the direction of my channel. So let's get straight into it. See you later. Wait a minute, so these lashes, these lashes are super long. I got these from the beauty supply store. I showed y'all in my last vlog. I think it was number 45, I don't know. But this is the other pair that I got. Same brand. Baby, these lashes are cute for videos and pictures, but me wearing these out in public in real life, yeah, this is me about 4 years ago, but today, no, I can't do this, baby. Do you see? These things are super long. They're beautiful though, but they are they're so long. Okay. Hey y'all, I am getting ready to record a video on this hair I got from Amazon company on some crochet butterfly locks. So pretty. My hair is already cornrowed. I have a video showing this exact braid pattern that I use when I do crochet hairstyles, and I'll leave the link to that video right here, also down in the description box below. But let's go ahead and jump into this video. Do a couple. I don't like that little knot ball sitting there. No, I don't like that. I'm gonna look crazy on camera. Alright, so let's start. The color of this hair is so pretty. Really like it. I don't need to talk too much, so let me just go ahead and turn. So the hair is so thick, I could just open the top loop and pull it straight through. And ta-da! One lock. I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back. I just finished recording the tutorial for my butterfly locks. I'm so hungry. We didn't cook today. My boyfriend, he stopped at Hurry Out and got me a chicken cheesesteak with no cheese, of course. I don't eat cheese. Oh, I'm so hungry. So I think I'm gonna close this weekly vlog out. I think I'm going to, I don't know if I'm gonna title it behind the scenes of a content creator or behind the scenes of YouTube videos this week, because I really didn't do too much besides I did record 3 videos this week. I record my DIY avocado deep conditioner, my slick back long ponytail extensions. I was talking about the direction of my channel, and then I recorded today's video, which is the butterfly locks. And I did a couple, I vlogged a little bit, went outside or went to the store, market and things like that. But yeah, I think that's it for this week's vlog. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye. I'm so hungry. I'm about to turn this up. This was fun. Let me know how you guys like this tutorial. Do you like the behind the scenes footage that I showed you guys? Also, do you like how I edited the video? I showed you guys what you would see if you watched the actual tutorial, and I showed you guys what you would see if you was watching my behind the scenes vlog camera. So it was fun, a little difficult, and took a little longer to edit this video, but it was well worth it. I wanted to bring some new fresh content to you guys. I don't think I've ever seen anybody record a tutorial like this. Not saying there is not any tutorials out there like this, but I haven't seen any. So Let me know how you guys like this. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn your notifications on so you will be notified when a new video drop. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.